Do not go without me, by Rumi. Oh sky, don't revolve without me. Oh moon, do not shine without me. O earth, do not go without me. O time, do not go without me. This world is enchanted by you. That world is enchanted by you. Don't stay without me in this world. Don't go to that world without me. Your face, yonder radiant moon, makes lucid and lights our night. I'm only the night. You're the moon. Don't go to the spheres without me. The rose, she is kind to the thorn, and she protects him from fire. Look, you are the rose, I'm the thorn. Don't go to your home without me. Thank you very much for listening to CureQuotes with CynthMD. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day.